Thank you, Chair Dutton and committee members. My name is Brandon Logan. I'm an attorney and a senior fellow for the Family Freedom Project. Family Freedom Project is a statewide advocacy organization that works to defend the rights of parents in the court and in the legislature. I'm testifying in support of House Bill 3758. If you remember in his State of the Judiciary address, Chief Justice Blacklock described child welfare litigation as a process that is anything but therapeutic. Instead, it represents the adversarial litigation at the highest stakes imaginable. This is litigation that starts with a petition to terminate. Appreciate the position of the Family Law Foundation, but they're talking about conservatorship, SAPSers. These cases start with a petition to terminate. They don't have to, but DFPS in every case begins with a petition to terminate the rights of parents. Chief Justice Blacklock also pointed out that the Family Code often stacks the deck against parents before cases even start. He urged the legislature to do more to ensure that parental rights are vigorously protected. So I want to talk about what Representative Schatzline talked about, which is the provisions, and Representative LaHood, about the provisions about the therapeutic relationships and substance abuse relationships. It's not just parents that are in these double binds where they're ordered to attend therapy and ordered to have an evaluation. Failure to comply with that order is independent grounds for termination under Section O. So you have to go to therapy. But if you go to therapy, anything you say in therapy will be used against you. That is so against the therapeutic relationship that no one up here would go to a therapist where the release says nothing is confidential. I can use any of this in any way, anything you say here. It undermines the very nature of the therapeutic relationship. It also puts the lawyers in a double bind. How do we advise our clients? This is supposed to be a rehabilitative system. You're supposed to be getting help. The state's paying for help. Can I tell you to go be honest with your therapist, to be honest with your substance abuse evaluator? I can't. I have to say there is a petition that is the death penalty of civil law filed against you. The state wants to take your children away forever. Can I say go be honest, go get help? I can't, and I haven't. In cases I have said you have to go, you have to play the game, but don't say anything that's going to be used against you. So there are many very good sections of this bill. Those are ones that impact parents every day who we make a false promise that this is a system that helps them, but if they seek help, then those statements can be used against them. So House Bill 3758 restores fairness and protects due process. By excluding those statements, it does other things. The bill strengthens family integrity, encourages parents to seek help without fear that their words will be turned against them. And I ask the committee for favorable consideration.